Yo, YouTube, what's the word? It's your boy, Main Cuts, man. As y'all see from the title and the thumbnail, we got a long overdue review today, the Supreme Trimmer Vader edition. They sent me this trimmer about 2 months ago, and I'm just now getting to the video. I'm not gonna lie to you guys, but it's better late than never, right? So I'm not gonna bore y'all and go over everything that's on the packaging. I'll just give y'all a brief run through real quick. It has a runtime of 210 minutes, a lithium battery, a DLC blade, a powerful motor, and you can use this trimmer corded or cordless. So let y'all see it one more time. Then on the side, it tell you pretty much everything else about it, so y'all can really see it. Open it up. Then once you take the top off, you got your trimmer right here. And as y'all can see, just like every other clipper company, they're going with that open, skeleton look. Take your top off. Then you got your guards. Pretty much nobody uses. If you do use this, 9 times out of 10, you're cutting your own hair at home. Then it comes with a pamphlet with some stickers and just their regular maintenance routine that they do recommend doing to, get the longevity out of your trimmer. Then it comes with your charging dock. Let y'all see that. And then comes with your charging cable. As y'all see, you can either plug it directly into the wall and go to your trimmer, or you can plug it directly into your wall and plug it into your charging dock. Then they always send you a nice travel bag with their logo on it. Then of course, you got your clipper oil and then your guard to protect your DLC blade. Now that that's out the way, let's talk about the trimmer. Now, normally when I do a video like this, I take the blade off and I go ahead and zero gap it to my liking. But just for the sake of this video, I wanted to use this trimmer exactly how it came, because I know a lot of you guys struggle with getting your trimmers at a perfect zero. So I use it exactly how it came out of the box. Now I'm going to rate this trimmer in 3 different categories. The first one is going to be look, the second one is going to be power, and then the third one is going to be overall performance. Now, look-wise, like I said in the beginning, it gives you that just new age trimmer look. So everybody is going with that exposed, trimmer look, which I love it. We'll probably be seeing this type of look for the next 5-10 years. I mean, it looks good, but then it makes it a lot easier for especially lining up the mustache area and then going around the ear as well. Now, as far as power, I give it about an 8 out of 10. I will let y'all hear it real quick and y'all can be the judge and let me know in the comment section. So as y'all hear, it's not like a clipper that doesn't have any power. Supreme Trimmer used to send me out, their very first trimmer that they ever came out with. And I mean, honestly, it didn't sound like it had a lot of power whatsoever. And that's to be expected. It's your very first product. You're getting your foot in the door. You don't know what to do and what not to do, right? From that product to this, it's a complete jump. So Supreme Trimmer is moving in the right direction for sure, right? So performance-wise, I will be honest. Directly out of the box, I'm not a fan of it. Now, I'm not saying it doesn't cut good. It just doesn't cut to my liking. Now, again, I haven't zero gapped this blade whatsoever, so I'm using it fresh out of the box. And matter of fact, let me show y'all how it's looking. I'm not sure if y'all can really tell, but it has a nice gap, but it's not as high as I would like it to be, right? Now, again, this is a DLC blade, so I'm not gonna lie, my first impression was once I saw that, I expect a lot, right? So if you're a barber that don't like precise and just real sharp lines, I wouldn't overlook this trimmer whatsoever. Because again, it cuts good, it just doesn't cut to my liking, right? Now, if I'm being honest with you guys, once I take this blade off and I zero gap it, 9 times out of 10, this is going to be in my rotation, because as you guys heard, and you will hear again, it has a lot of power and it's a DLC blade. So I have a lot of expectations for this trimmer right here. Now, again, if you are a beginner barber and sharp lines not necessarily on your main priority right now, I wouldn't overlook this trimmer whatsoever. It's budget friendly. It's not going to take up too much space in your travel case or just at your house, wherever you may be cutting at. And I mean, at the end of the day, you can't go wrong. You got to start somewhere, right? Now, if you are a barber that likes precision, you want your lines crispy, you want them to stand out, you want your lines to look like they're painted on, enhanced or not enhanced, zero gap this trimmer. Save yourself the hassle and the time and just go ahead and zero gap it. You know what I mean? Because honestly, man, this is just not going to get the job done fresh out of the box. Now, a lot of blades you have to break in, and I'll be honest with y'all, I was using this trimmer, man, probably a month straight, and it performed the exact same way. And that's not me saying this is a bad trimmer. This is just me saying I broke the trimmer blade in as much as I possibly could, and I didn't get a different outcome. So now the only other solution is for me to go ahead and zero gap it and then give you guys a final review. So it will be a part 2 of this video. Now, if you're cutting your hair at home, absolutely, go ahead and do what you need to do. Get this trimmer right here. If you're just starting off, go ahead and get this trimmer right here. If you're a barber that don't care about precise lines, you got older clientele that they got sensitive skin, or you cut a lot of kids that have sensitive skin, this is your trimmer right here. And again, it's budget friendly. Again, this is not me trying to steer you guys away from Supreme Trimmer, because like I said in the beginning, Supreme Trimmer is not a stranger on this channel whatsoever. They've been sending me each product that they get year by year, month by month, day by day, week by week. That's just been what it is. So their very first trimmer compared to this, if somebody was to sit their first trimmer in front of me and this trimmer right here in front of me, I wouldn't believe that this is Supreme Trimmer, just off the style, just off the power, just off the blade, just off everything. So they're going in the right direction. That's all that matters, right? Now, my message to Supreme Trimmer is this. It's time for us to do a real collab. We need to get a main cuts clipper and trimmer. We need to get a whole line, and we need to sit down and we really need to discuss and talk about everything that I like as a barber and what I know my colleagues around me like. You guys are right there, right there. But y'all just missing a few pieces. And I'm telling y'all, I can give y'all the answer that y'all need to get the trimmer where it need to be. Now listen, like I told y'all, it will be a part 2 to this video. So y'all just stay tuned, man. If you're new, like, comment, share, subscribe. Leave me a comment in the comment section. Let me know, what are you guys' first take on this trimmer right here, especially if you've already been using this trimmer. And what would you like to see from Supreme Trimmer as well? Y'all let me know in the comment section, man, and turn the post notifications on, because again, it will be a part 2 of this video once I zero gap it and get it to where I need to get to. So, man, everybody be blessed, man. And again, I'm back and I'm better, so y'all already know what it is.